Most people think quiet land and real space only exist in overpriced fantasy listings. But there's a small city in northern North Carolina that still offers something completely different. Henderson has a population of around 15,000 people. It covers all the basics for everyday life: grocery stores, schools, medical services, restaurants, and local businesses. It feels practical and livable without the congestion of larger metro areas. Raleigh is just about 45 minutes away, making it ideal for commuters or remote workers who still want access to a major city. The area is generally considered safe, with a lifestyle centered around affordability, space, and a slower pace of life. And sitting quietly in this town is a property that most people would never expect to still be available. This is a traditional farmhouse built in the 1870s. It offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and just over 1,900 square feet of living space, all on one main level. It sits on 2.4 peaceful acres. Inside, the home feels warm, solid, and full of character. Original wood flooring runs through much of the house, adding a kind of charm you simply can't recreate in newer builds. The layout includes a comfortable living room, a dedicated dining room, and generously sized bedrooms. The interior is in very good condition and truly move-in ready. There's permanent attic stairs for extra storage and main-level laundry for everyday convenience. This is the kind of house that feels sturdy and honest. Not polished for show, but ready for real living. Outside is where this property really opens up. The 2.4-acre lot is flat, usable, and peaceful, with multiple outbuildings including what can function as a large garage or barn, plus additional smaller structures for storage, tools, or hobbies. There's plenty of parking, a private driveway, and space for gardening, animals, or simply enjoying the quiet. The front porch ties it all together, a perfect place to slow down and enjoy the surroundings. Whether this property is the right fit depends on what you value most: space, history, and a quieter pace, or something more modern and low maintenance.